Politv.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. I'm Farah Qistina binti Azman, reporting from Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah for Politv Central Chapter. I'm here at the main lecture hall DSU of Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah on the 5th of March 2020, reporting for Commerce Excellence 2020, or in short Comex 2020, organised by students of DSK 5B from Commerce Department as a condition to fulfill their DPK 6023 event organisation subject requirements. This program has been ongoing for 3 days since 3rd of March 2020 and ends today. A variety of activities and programs were conducted throughout these programs, such as Business Model Canvas, Pitching, Islamic Banking Talk Challenge, and Ethic in Islamic Seminar, to name a few. The objective of this program is to enhance the skills and knowledge for students who are enrolled in secretarial and Islamic banking course programs. It is hoped that through the organization of this program, students will be able to improve their creativity and ability in handling events better. My report concludes here. This is Farah Qistina binti Azman reporting for Politv Central Chapter, Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah.